2000. It's almost kind of hard to see the pavement. I'm at 1500 now. This is almost straight in on the downwind here. Alright, yeah. We're downwind. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec. We are now on the left down for runway 32. Goodspeed. 1300. $1,200.
This looks like good distance.
1,100. All right.
And what's your downwind speed here?
I'm gonna do a downwind at right 90.
Okay.
All right, so 1,500, one notch, right 1,000. Watching my airspeed.
Okay. Got a nice little reference up here.
Okay. Goodspeed traffic 33 Quebec, turning left base for runway 32, Goodspeed.
And then just on the next call, just say your landing intention. So be full stop.
2 notches.
Alright. Let's we'll square off this turn. So, level of wings. Go.
We're at 600. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec, getting ready to turn final. Full stop, runway 32, Goodspeed. Alright, we're at 70.
Proceeding traffic, recovery left downwind 24 for Haven.
Alright, let's get full flaps in. Full flaps. We're at 500. Watch the airspeed.
Retract flaps.
Retract flaps, brakes, back pressure.
Nice.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec. We're stopping in the middle of the runway. We're going to be turning around for another departure on runway 32, Goodspeed. Alright, everything's on. We're going to turn around. Am I allowed to go on the grass? I don't think I need to, though.
No. So on a call like that, just say you're back taxiing.
Back taxiing. That's the word. Back taxi.
That's it.
Back taxi.
Oh, I thought that was good. That was a good approach. Made the right changes for pitch and power. And now let's do a short field takeoff.
Okay, so we're going to talk about the short field takeoff. I want the maximum performance of the airplane. I need the full length of the runway. I'm going to use flaps 25, which is 2 notches of flaps. I'm going to line up nose, center, runway heading. I'm going to apply brakes, full power. When RPM is at full power, release. And then I'm looking to rotate at VX, which is 6.3 knots.
Here, stop here.
Stop.
Okay. All right. Okay. So get set.
Okay, so flaps 1, flaps 2. We are at flaps 2. Mixture's full rich, fuel pumps on, landing lights on, already did the mixture, we're ready to go.
Okay. Now where are you going to taxi to?
We're going to taxi to runway 32.
I mean, what point on the runway?
All the way at the end.
All right.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec. We are taxiing onto runway 32 for departure. And we're going to be staying in the pattern Goodspeed.
I thought you said we were going to go to the beginning of the runway.
I know. Do you want to loop around?
No.
Okay.
No, just get lined up. Get centered.
Okay, we're centered.
All right.
All right, we're ready to go. Power full. Release. Looking for 63. 40. 50. 55. We got 60. VX.
There you go. Maintain VX.
Maintaining VX. Goodspeed traffic, go Warrior 33 Quebec. We are departing runway 32 on the upwind. Goodspeed. 63, 200. We're going to clear that bridge, clear the obstacle.
Clear. Yep, clear.
All right. I'm going to keep a VX a little bit here. Pitching down for VY. 1 notch out.
Southwest traffic, flight of 2 RVs, 2 miles 45.
We're at 500. Left crosswind. All flaps out. 500, we're going to turn at 750. Wow, that was interesting. 600. I think I'm right a runway heading. 700. Turning left. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is turning left crosswind, runway 32 Goodspeed.
One more right rudder.
We're at 900.
Southwest traffic, flight of 2 RVs on the downwind, 20 Southwest.
We're at 1,000, turning left downwind. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is turning left downwind, runway 32 Goodspeed.
Don't leave out that crosswind call next time.
Say again?
I didn't hear a crosswind call.
I believe, didn't I? I thought I did.
I heard you say upwind. I could be wrong.
On traffic, thermal rolling for takeoff on P5.
Get that power back.
A little bumpy here.
All right, now tell me what's your aiming point on this?
Southwest traffic,
Right at the approach.
turning left.
Right in the front of the runway.
Right in front of the runway?
Yeah, right in the front.
Okay, landing point?
Yes.
What's your landing point?
A few feet after that.
Okay, can you be more specific?
No, I can't be specific right now because
Like first stripe?
I'm losing some altitude.
Okay.
First.
Just fly the plane.
All right, we're at 1,000. All right, let's try again. Okay, we got this. I'm gonna beam the numbers coming up. All right, we're at 1,000. We're at 1,500. 1 notch. All right, see my runway. Turning left base. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is turning left base, runway 32 Goodspeed. Second notch.
Connecticut traffic, Cavalry left downwind 24 for Haven.
I'm at 80. 800, we're high. Get ready to do that.
You got altitude for airspeed as well.
Yep, we're at 650. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is turning final, runway 32 Goodspeed. 600, power's going back down.
How's your airspeed?
It's up there, so I'm putting the power back.
Okay.
All right, I'm aiming for 32.
And landing was second stripe?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Get those flaps out. Brakes. All right, now Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec, back taxi runway 32, Goodspeed.
Okay. Get that about a 7.5. Your airspeed is just
I know, I had a lot of speed there.
just not stabilized.
Nope. The first one was better.
Yeah, the first one was better. So we probably landed about 200 feet past second stripe.
Yeah, I had a lot of energy I had to dissipate there at the end.
Yeah.
A good amount.
It's just your power setting was a little high on base, and airspeed was also high. So now on this one, let's use all available runway. So I mean like to the tip of the grass,
Okay.
because that bridge really does come up fast.
I
doesn't
know. And we got some weight in the plane today.
it? Yeah. Bring that power back, just like you mentioned earlier on that taxi checklist. Power minimal and brakes.
All right, so flaps 1, flaps 2, parking brakes off, fuel pumps on, landing lights on, mixture's full rich, carpet is off. We're ready?
Ready?
Full runway. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec, we are taxiing onto runway 32 full length. For departure, we'll be staying in the pattern Goodspeed.
There we go.
Oh, it's a beautiful 3-2. I gotta come back here with a paintbrush.
Yeah.
Gotta paint these numbers better.
All right. So on this next approach, I want you telling me your aiming point and your landing point.
Okay. All right, get the nose straight, nose
All brakes.
straight. Brakes are on, full power. We're moving and watching the airspeed. $40, $50. VX, rotate. 65, 64. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33, Quebec is upwind, 32 Goodspeed. Remember to call my crosswind, clear the bridge. 250. Does your iPad say the height of that bridge?
I'll have to check when we get back on the ground.
350 for 400.
What's your airspeed?
500. Nose down, 1 notch out. 500, second notch out where airplane is clean, climb out of VY.
Morse traffic, and intake 198
650.
10 miles to east inbound, full stop landing at Morse.
700. Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec, turning left, crosswind, runway 32 Goodspeed. Okay, looks good there. 800. See if we can get this energy managed better on this base to final. We got 900.
13, got it. We'll join up in a little bit. Thank you.
Widen the pattern out just a hair. We're coming up to 1,000.
What power setting do you want to keep on the downwind?
Downwind 2,000.
Okay.
Goodspeed traffic, Warrior 33 Quebec is turning left down on runway 32 Goodspeed.
And where's the wind coming from?
I haven't checked it in a while, but there's Chester over there, I think, right?
Okay. Yep.
Alright, we're at 1,100, power's at 21. We're at 1,000. Alright, I feel like I'm pushed a little bit this way.
Okay. All right. So tell me what's your aiming and landing point?
I'm aiming at the beginning of the runway, and my landing is 2 stripes after that.
Okay.
So I have to control my energy so I can land at the 2-stripe.
Yeah.
We're at 1,000. Almost a beam. Got some turbulence.
Now this landing does not have to be that pretty.
Yeah, Brookhaven Cherokee turning crosswind of 24 Brookhaven.
Also doesn't have to be that smooth.
Okay.
Alright, on a short runway, it doesn't matter if it's a little hard. You need to stop this plane before the end of the runway. Alright.
Alright, 1,500. 1 notch, we're at 1,000. I remember last time I turned in when that little river was there, so I'm still high here.
We'll start descending. So look straight ahead. Look, you got part of the river. We can see that we're descending visually.
We're at 900.
Alright.
Turning left here over these docks here, 2nd notch.
Alright, so now you're aiming for 80, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's left base runway 32 Goodspeed. 800, we're at 70. 80 to 75.
Yeah, Brookhaven Cherokee turning downwind 24, departing to the east.
Plane's moving around a little bit. Doesn't have to be pretty. We're at 600, we're at 80. Watch my airspeed. 600. Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec's turning final for runway 32 Goodspeed. Alright, we're at 500, watch the airspeed.
Alright, so what are you pitching for here? 7?
Yeah. Just trying to get set up.
Alright. So beginning of the runway, 2nd stride. How's your airspeed?
Up there, so power's coming back.
Good.
I got plenty of energy right now.
You do. Flaps?
Flaps. Yeah, flaps. I need
Full back pressure.
Full back pressure.
Back pressure. There you go.
Oh, all right. What's that white mark mean? Halfway?
I don't know.
Goodspeed Traffic Warrior 33 Quebec, back taxi runway 32 Goodspeed. All right, lap 0. Yeah, there's a paint mark.
That could be 1,000 footers.
All right, I'm ready to go back.
Ready to go back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Been a flooding.
Yeah.
This sucks. Oh, a little ducky.
Yeah. Just loving life.
Do you think he needs to clear good speed when he comes in for a landing? Is he on CTAF, the duck?
Absolutely.
Did I make the 2nd stripe?